Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the phone won't fight you. Set auto lock to never if your iPhone lets you, and turn off low power mode so the system won't force sleep. Once done, open the single app you plan to keep active. Guided access works per app. You do this because guided access overrides automatic locking for that session. Now get ready to enable guided access and accessibility. That step turns an ordinary app session into one that stays awake. You now enable guided access and set its passcode or allow Face ID. This ensures you control exit. Once enabled, open the app, then triple-click the side or home button to enter guided access. Make sure to tap options at the bottom, then turn off motion, touch, or set display auto lock to never inside those options. This is why the screen stays on. Start the session, and your iPhone will remain awake for that app until you deliberately end guided access. To finish, triple-click the same button and enter the guided access passcode or use Face ID, then tap End. That returns normal sleep behavior. If the screen still goes to sleep, make sure low power mode is off and auto lock isn't forced back to a short interval. Sometimes profiles or MDM settings override never. If you need continuous on time frequently, set auto lock to never where possible and use guided access for reliable single app sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.